All right, when you say they can use a calculator, I'm assuming they can use a graphing calculator, in which case this would be the easiest way to do this problem. Think of the left side as function y1 and the right side is function y2. When is the left function less than or equal to the right function? So to enter these expressions in for y1 and y2, hit the y equals button and let y1 equal negative x squared. Doesn't matter, the variables are dummy variables, it could be any letter, we'll get the same result. So y1 is the left side, y2 is the right side. Now hit graph. When you do, you get this representation, and we want to know for what values of n, or for what values of x, is the left side, which we've represented with the blue function y1, less than or equal to, which since these are y values we're talking about is underneath, is lower than, less than or equal to or underneath the green curve y2, and the blue curve is always under the green curve. y1 is always less than or equal to y2 for any value of x, or in this case for any value of n. So our solution is all real numbers. Let's look at this one other way, which might make more sense for you. What if we collected all of our terms on one side with 0 on this side and then just used one function? If this expression was equal to y1, then graph y1 equals that and see when is it bigger than or equal to 0. And this will be even more obvious what the answer is. If we graph y equals x squared plus 4x plus 10, we are answering the question, when are the y values of that graph bigger than or equal to 0? And you can see it's always bigger than 0. So once again, we have n can be anything. This thing is always true. And if you want to know how to do this without a calculator, it involves either the quadratic formula or completing the square, and I can make you a video for that too. But if you can use a graphing calculator, then this should do it. I hope this helped.